this video.
This is for 90. Definitely buy the concealer. It's so pretty. बहुत ज़्यादा fall out है. These palettes are so multi-purpose. I swear, once you get them, you will be obsessed. This shade. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and a very happy Diwali to you and your family. Today's video is a Diwali get ready with me as I promised and as you chose in the poll, but with a little bit of my twist. So I'm going to be using all possible Meesho makeup in today's video. I'm wearing Meesho all over my body and all the makeup products that I'm going to be using are from Meesho. So I'm super excited. Since the last haul that I made, I haven't really tried and tested those products. So in today's video, we are going to do all of that together. All the products that you're going to see in today's video, sabka price literally 300, 400 hai, and some are around 100, 200. So yeah, without much blabbering, let's get started with today's video. फाउंडेशन के लिए मेरे पास है ब्लू हेवन का ऑयल फ्री मेकअप फाउंडेशन सनस्क्रीन प्लस मैट फिनिश और इसका शेड है क्रीम बेज. सो इफ यू नो मी यू नो दैट आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ द ब्लू हेवन ऑयल फ्री फाउंडेशन व्हिच इज अनदर फाउंडेशन. वो इससे भी ज्यादा सस्ता है. दैट इज फॉर 70 रुपीज. दिस इज फॉर 90 and 90 rupees में I don't know what to expect exactly, but still I'm gonna try this foundation out. बस थोड़ा सा मैंने हाथ पे लिया है and this is not my shade. So this foundation comes in only 4 shades which is very bad and I think ये पूरा मेकअप खराब कर देगा. I should mix this foundation with something else because I have shopped a lot from Meesho and I do have a bunch of more foundations. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me, I showed this to you in my first Meesho haul. You should go and check all the hauls. Actually, they are really nice since I made them. So I'm mixing these 2 shades and I think I should get my shade now. It's lighter now. Let's see if this can work. Otherwise, concealer say we will clear things up. I'm using a brush for this because this brush is from Meesho and I do not want to use anything else in today's video. So मेरे पास Meesho का एक भी blender नहीं है, you know. So this foundation looks really nice. If you haven't watched my first Meesho haul ना, जो Maybelline Fit Me मैंने अभी दिखाया, that is not Maybelline Fit Me. It's a fake makeup. उस पे कुछ ब्यूटी कलर लिखा हुआ है and the shade is 03 Skin Beige. Just know कि ये सब fake makeup है and it is not great for your skin. But my money was completely wasted because I paid for Maybelline Fit Me, which is a bad thing. As you can see, I have got like a good proper acne over here. So because this is red, इसको cancel out करने के लिए I'm gonna use a green eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna place my eyeshadow over here and blend it out and फिर हम लगाएंगे concealer. The brush that I'm using right now is only for 400. The entire set was for 300 something I guess. So yeah, मैंने जब खरीदा था it was 300. Now it's a little expensive, but if any offers come I'm gonna let you know in shorts or something like that. So yeah, अभी ये ऐसा रहने दूंगी मैं because I do not have a color corrector. I'm gonna use an eyeshadow. For my dark circles, I'm using a little bit of red eyeshadow because red cancels out dark circles in case you don't know. Then we'll blend this a bit and ग्रीन को भी हम थोड़ा ब्लेंड कर लेंगे. अब इसके बाद हम लगाएंगे कंसीलर. दिस इज द स्विस ब्यूटी HD कंसीलर इन द शेड 02 क्रीमी बेज. ये एक ऐसा रिट्रैक्टेबल काइंड ऑफ कंसीलर है. यहाँ पे आपको इसको ऐसे मूव करना है एंड यहाँ से प्रोडक्ट निकलेगा. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक Maybelline एज रिवाइंड एंड आई लव दिस कंसीलर सो मच. आई हैव यूज्ड दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स दैट ये अभी खत्म हो जाएगा. दिस इज फॉर ओनली 200 आई गेस. सो इफ यू वांट अ good concealer, just go and pick this up. I also have the Inside Cosmetics concealer, but उसका coverage इतना अच्छा नहीं है. इसका coverage is very nice. So I'm just gonna apply it like this, and then I'm gonna keep this for exactly 10 seconds and फिर हम इसको भी blend कर लेंगे. This particular concealer na blends like magic. It just takes like 10 seconds to blend and it's the best thing about this concealer. So yeah, I love the coverage, love the finish. This is like my go-to concealer now. I do not have a compact powder from Misho, so we are gonna use this one that I'm holding in my hand right now. This is the Faces Canada Compact. Now I'm quickly gonna bake and then we'll talk about the concealer. So honestly, if you wanna buy anything from today's video, definitely buy the concealer. By far, it is the best. I have showed you only 2 products, but as much as I know, the concealer is the best out of all the products. So मैंने जल्दी से set कर लिया. I just baked and I'm gonna keep this for 10 minutes at least while I do my eye makeup. But this concealer does crease a little bit, so as soon as you're done with the blending, quickly आप जाके इसको ना ऐसे bake कर लो या just use some compact powder over it and it will look so nice. I cannot explain. I am an oily skin person and this is definitely my go-to routine right now. Coming to the eyes, I have 3 eyeshadow palettes from Misho and I honestly don't know which one to use. So I'm gonna show you all the 3. This is the first one which I've used all the time. So aaj though I am not gonna use this no matter what. This is the Beauty Glazed Color Board palette which has like 4 different Pantones, 4 different kinds of shade and theme going on. So I think I'm gonna use this as well as the second palette. Now this palette is something that I love so much. This is from Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. I don't want to believe that this is a fake eyeshadow because it's so pretty. All the shades that you see right here are very pigmented and this palette is literally so consistent. I think I'm gonna make a detailed review later on because everyone wanted it. Since the price of this palette is only $396 and in $396 you get these many shades. You have blushes, you have contours and you have got all possible neutral, colorful, every other shade. So I'm definitely gonna make like a detailed video later on, but just so you know, this is how the pigmentation goes like for the palette. This is just something that I love so much. I don't know, I love this palette a lot and this is how pigmented the shades look like. I'm gonna swatch a shimmer as well. This is how it goes like and I'm definitely gonna use this palette as well as the Beauty Glazed Color Board palette. For my crease, I'm gonna use this shade. This is a very warm toned light brown and this is gonna go over my crease. Zoomed you guys a bit. This is gonna go all over my crease. This is literally one swipe pigment and I cannot explain how much I love this palette. I'm gonna use this red right over here. This palette has a lot of fallouts, but it's pigmented. If you're a beginner, always remember to bake. Basically, यहाँ पे थोड़ा powder दे के रखना so that when you're doing the eyeshadow, fallout हो ना तो भी your base should not be affected at all. So always bake while you're doing your eye makeup. This red will only be on my outer V. Now I'm gonna place my concealer right over here and just cut the crease. Do you see the amount of fallouts here? The second palette is so pigmented. The Color Board palette is not greatly pigmented. See the number of fallouts though. बहुत ज़्यादा fallout है दोनों ही palette में actually. Okay, nice. Blending the two together using some of my concealer for the inner corner. Finally, some fluorescent yellow for my inner corner. I use the concealer so that the pigmentation is even more. Now, if you have noticed this about me, I have stopped wearing kajals. I only wear white kajals now. So this is the Miss Claire's eye and lip liner. And I'm quickly gonna wear my kajal because I cannot do it on camera and I'll be back. Done with my white kajal. Now the last thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna draw a fake wing over here with an eyeshadow. So I have stopped wearing eyeliners. I only use a black eyeshadow and just mark a line over here, you know. So I'm gonna start from here and just draw something like this. For my mascara, I'm gonna use the Lakme Flutter Secrets Volumizing Mascara. This is literally the best mascara out there and I love this so much. बहुत ज़्यादा volume देता है, plus it makes it very fuller. That's the word. There's a lot of volume that this particular mascara gives me. So yeah. Now for my contour, I'm gonna use the Inside Cosmetics Duo 2-in-1 stick. It comes with a highlighter as well as a conceal contour. I have got this message a lot that make an Inside Cosmetics dedicated video. It's coming soon. I have ordered a bunch of products, but I don't know why it's still not delivered. So please wait for a while. I'm gonna make the video and post it super soon. Till then, I'm just gonna use this contour stick in front of you so that you get an idea. This is how much product you will receive. Looks like a lipstick and I really hope this works out for me. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this over here and over here. This is very easily blendable. It's a nice product. I like it. ये बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी blend भी हो गया and I'm literally using my fingers. Still, it's so nice. A little bit of contour here ताकि lips बहुत ज़्यादा fuller लगे. Blush के लिए I have obviously got the SFR Colors Pure Color Blusher in the shade 06 Nude Berry. This is my favorite shade and favorite blush ever. ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. So use a little bit on your hand and only then touch this on your face. See, it's very pigmented. Next, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette for my highlighter. This is a beautiful highlighter shade and I love this so much. So I'm just gonna use a little bit over here on my nose tip and over here. And then join the both. If you haven't watched my contour video, please go and check it out. Then we'll highlight the brow bone, some highlight on cheeks. These palettes are so multi-purpose, I swear. Once you get them, you will be obsessed. Lots and lots of highlighter because it's the festives. In the last week's Meesho haul, I showed this to you guys. This is the Miss Claire's Glimmer Sticks for Lips in the shade Sandy Mauve L14. This is my favorite lip liner ever. I have never seen such a pretty shade. This is how the shade looks like. It is so pretty. Again, I'll repeat, it's Sandy Mauve and I love this shade. So a little bit like this and यहाँ पे थोड़ा I just overline my lips now. I'll use this matte Huda Beauty lipstick. This is for only 100 and the shade is very pretty. Over the Huda Beauty Nude lipstick, I use the Lakme Matte Liquid Melt Lip Color in the shade 05 Red Smoke. This is my favorite shade. And over all of these, I used my favorite blush ever. Let's see how this particular highlighter performs. I'm just gonna take a little. Okay, this is nice. This duo stick is actually very nice. It is only for 280 rupees. I'm gonna link and give codes for everything that I've used in today's video, so please go and check the description box. This is so pretty. This shade is so nice. And yeah, I think that is about it for my look. No Indian looks feel right without a bindi or like a nose pin or something like that. So yeah, you guys, this is my final look. This was the get ready with me for Diwali. Now talking about the Meesho part of today's video, I loved all the products. As you saw, there was not a single product that I hated or disliked except for the Blue Heaven foundation. It was for 90 rupees only, and we really need to understand that these brands are very small brands and therefore I don't know why they do not come up with a lot of shades. There are only 4 shades you can pick from. If you get your shade, then well and good. As you saw, the shade that I got was cream beige, and this is a little dark on me, so yeah, I mean, can't really help. This has a very strong yellow undertone and doesn't really match my skin tone. So except for that, all the products that I used in today's video are bomb, especially my favorite eyeshadow palette. As I told you, I've been blabbering about it all throughout the video. I personally love this eyeshadow palette a lot. The blush and the concealer, the Swiss Beauty concealer, is something that I absolutely love. If you're a beginner, you should definitely pick the concealer and try it for yourself. So yeah, I mean, that is it about today's video, you guys. I really hope that you liked it. Let me know what else you wanna watch, and if you have reached till this part of the video, make sure you comment these two emojis so I get to know that you have watched till here. And yeah, a very happy Diwali again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.